Welcome to the Husman Bros, and today we're working on our 944. We're going to show you the easiest way to put new tires on a car like this. Now you may recognize this from our other channel, which I hope you subscribe to, but for now I want you to go subscribe to the Husman Bros for more of this project. We're going to turn this race car into a full-on race car.
We're also going to use the recalled Harbor Freight jack stands because we like to live dangerously.
In our other channel, it's all about protection. Here, who cares? Let's get to it. Okay, go ahead and loosen up the lug nuts, and I'll jack the car.
Oh, no. I'll be doing the jacking today.
You're the master. We're gonna go with a new, non-recalled one in the back, and we're gonna go with the old recalled version of the front, just to make it spicy. So before we took this up in the air, we loosened our lug nuts with our fancy machine here, and we made another video about jacking points, and part of the reason we did that is because it's obvious that someone jacked this car up without using the proper jack points at one point, as we can see right here. I'm sure that someone might say, because I know who he is, that this happened because of the various tornado damage we have, but I'm 100% sure that is jacking damage. Go watch our other video and figure out how to jack your car up before you jack your car up. Now, off come the wheels for our easy tire change. Here we go. Now the 944 is normal lug nuts like a regular car. A lot of these early German cars are actually stud cars, and that's a pain in the ass, but this is pretty easy. Been a while since these were off, obviously. And here we are, first wheel off. Okay, so one of the reasons that we are changing these tires out is because they're old. I happen to know how old-ish they are because I put them on when I bought the car originally, but I'll show you how to figure out how old the tires are. I bought plenty of older cars, and a lot of them have older tires on them. So when you buy an old car, we can see the checkering on these tires here, but what we look for is our manufacture date, which we find right here. So this car these tires were made in August of 2010. This is now July of 2022. So these need changing regardless. Most tires are meant to last 5 years at max.
So if you look at these tires, these are clearly dry rotted. They were sitting for a long time, but you can see the cracks in here. That rubber is dry. We do not want to drive on these too much.
Go.
That one was pretty tight. That's why you gotta have an impact wrench.
So if we look closely at these tires here, we see cracking in this one, and look how bad that is. These tires haven't been abused. They're just old. And this is what old tires do. When you buy an old car, first stop, tire shop.
There it is. All right. Angle on it.
right, now we're going to show you the super simple way to change your tires out. Now this is a temporary change for us. One of the things that we're going to be doing with this car is making it wider bodied. So we're going to actually have these wheels rebuilt to fit that body at some point. But for now, we just need some tires to put on it and take it around. As you see, these wheels are pretty much thrashed anyway. So it'll be good for us to refinish them. As I said, this is just a quick stop. Let's go get some tires on and show how easy this can be.
Well, that was pretty anticlimactic.
I said the easy way. It doesn't get much easier than that.
I guess that's true.
Take it just to a pro. That's what I always do. It's easy. I don't have a machine. I guess I could try the whole lighter fluid, make it explode, but I want to live.
That wasn't the kind of viral video we were trying to make here.
I don't know if this one's that viral anyway, but thanks for watching. I hope you learned there are some things that you should just take out and pay for. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Leave your comments, including about my lazy method of replacing tires if you want to, but join us for the rest of this build. I think it'll be a good time.